Hello everybody, this is Miss Ramsey and I'm going to be your AP Environmental teacher for the 2020-2021 school year. So this video serves the purpose of showing you guys how to navigate our Canvas course and what to expect basically as we go through this school year. Obviously, you guys are on an A/B day schedule, so you will be with me all year, which means hopefully at some point in time I will see you face to face in the classroom. But until then, we are doing everything virtually, so it's going to be really important that you guys know how to access everything via Canvas. So I'm sure most of you are juniors and seniors, so you guys know how to get to Canvas. So once you log into Canvas, you're going to find our AP course. And right now, yours is right here. I'm going to go into my settings and switch to student view so it'll look like what you guys will see. So when you get into your Canvas course, this will be your home page. You can get to everything you need from this home page. So on our left-hand side, you've got your home page. This is where you will navigate to all of your lessons. Your grades, when you guys start getting grades, they will be here. This Macmillan Learning tab is going to be really important because this will take you to your online textbook. We have new textbooks this year. You guys will be doing reading homework and certain problems out of that textbook, so it's going to be really important that we get signed up for that. And we'll do that either on day 1 or day 2 of the first week of school. And then you guys do have a course syllabus here that is uploaded that you guys can take a look at. Part of your homework on day 1 is going to be just kind of navigating Canvas, making sure you know where everything is, and looking over this particular syllabus. So I'm going to go back to the home page here, and I'm going to show you kind of what to expect for the first day. So if we scroll down, there's this link here that you get to click on. To get to know me, it's going to be kind of like an all about me slide. And then here's a click here for your first assignment. Your first assignment is going to be you creating your own get to know me slide for our class. And then there's also a link that's everything you need on the first day. So your first day assignment is linked, and like information is linked on the first page. And then your actual lessons will be in the lesson link, which I'll show you in a minute. Down here are these buttons. So this right here, this live lessons, will give you the link to the Zoom information. So I've got your class section, your date and time, and then your Zoom info as well. We can go back. Your grading, so your grading policy is linked here. If you guys want to read this, we'll go over all of this together as well during our Zoom meeting. But your grading policy is there. My contact information is here with my email, my phone, and then our class remind. I highly suggest that you guys sign up for the class remind. And I do have 2 different remind codes for A and B day just because typically you guys are on different schedules. It'll be more so when you guys come back to school. But typically one class is ahead of the other, so I'll send out basically the same message. It's just my A day will get it a day before my B day because, yeah, you guys are on an alternate schedule. So this Canvas navigation has some links in there. I'll put this video there as well. Links to help you navigate Canvas, support. It takes you to some websites. And then there's going to be a digital citizenship course that's coming later, but we don't have to worry about that now. And then finally, where you are going to do your work once we get into our actual lessons, there's this AP Environmental Science button. You're going to click Enter. And here is where all the magic happens. So we've got our modules here broken down by our units. These are the 9 units of study that we're going to be going over this school year. And we are going to start in this module here that says Welcome to APES. It says not yet available because I haven't published it yet, but let me leave student view and show you what it's going to look like. Once I publish it, you'll be able to see it. Let me go ahead and do that now, since I'm thinking about it. And it's set up just like this. So when you click in a lesson, you'll have your warm-up and then you'll have your learning. So you'll always click on your warm-up and do your warm-up first, and then you'll click on the Learn tab and it will give you instructions on what to do and how to get your grade for the day. And that's how it's going to be set up every single time. And then from this page, you can go back and you can go into lesson 2. Then you can go back, go into lesson 3. You always want to finish a previous lesson before you move on. Make sure, so if you start at lesson 1, make sure all of lesson 1 is completed before you move on to lesson 2. Okay? And then, like, if you want to go back to the home page, this button will take you there. Okay? So like I said, we don't have to worry about that lesson 1 quite yet. We'll get into that kind of like our first and second day. We might have double up on a couple lessons just because they don't take that long. And then we'll jump into our real Unit 1 content, probably the second week of school. So first day is going to be really easy. We're going to get to know each other. You guys are going to complete an activity for me so I can get to know you, and that'll be it. But if you guys have any questions, please, 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 please make sure that you reach out to me and let me know. And please make sure you are at our first Zoom meeting, again linked on this page underneath the live lessons, but also it's here in this first day lesson link as well. We'll be going over some pertinent information. I'll be posting a video as well for how you guys can access your online textbook. We'll make sure that we're signed up for Reminds and we all have the information that we need to get started. So I hope this was helpful. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to seeing you guys really soon. We're going to have a great start to the school year. Bye for now.